damn it.
Trying to teach her how to sing, but she's shy.
She's really shy.
She can sing.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine.
Alright, I'll stop. Sorry. It happens at least once a show. If I ever have a facial expression like this next song, speaking of beautiful children, this next song I've been told by a 3-year-old that I know that this song is full of mom words. And that's like a huge compliment because I like being a mom. It's also a huge diss because I think he means that I'm lame. So to retaliate to that 3-year-old, I like to sing the F-bomb version. But there's so many gorgeous, gorgeous little ones here. I guess I am lame. I'm a little soft. I can't stare into the eyes of a 4-year-old and just scream the word F-U-C-K. So I'll leave it to you to scream at your own 4-year-olds if you feel the need.